At Revware, we make 3D happen through a complete system of fully integrated hardware and software. Our mission is to provide high-quality, simple-to-use, innovative, cost-effective measurement and modeling solutions. Imagine a concept-to-product engineering process that takes 30 minutes, not 30 hours, to complete. Imagine having the tools on your desktop, portable into the field, with which you can create a detailed computer model or take precise measurements of almost any object in minutes. Revware's products can be used to capture physical parts, develop prototypes, recreate one-of-a-kind objects, measure, inspect, and analyze. Revware has been committed to providing superior measurement and modeling solutions since our beginnings in 1992. And our innovative passion is still going strong after 28 years. Our products are 100% made in the USA, manufactured and serviced in Raleigh, North Carolina. From reverse engineering to manufacturing automation. From guided surgery to forensic analysis. From the military to industry to university, our systems gather the data that matters and make it work for you. With portability at the forefront, our reverse engineering products shorten the time to manufacture, are scalable, and are highly fieldable so that reverse engineering can be performed in your office, on the shop floor, or wherever in the world your project takes you. Our goal at Revware is to help you reshape your world every day.